Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I have a mail call. My HSN has started to come in. It's like coming. So I have 3 boxes here. This is the flat one and the one easily gotten under a camera, so hence why you're seeing it. And the other ones are not. So I have no idea what this is. It's not very heavy. So I think it's an oddly shaped box for paper. I don't remember, because remember, I order stuff and then I binge and I purge. I immediately forget everything I did because I go on to doing whatever, is next thing that catches my attention. So let's see what is in this box, because I did, as usual, I went maybe a little bit cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs with what I ordered, but there was some cool stuff. Not, it was kind of a hodgepodge. I was all over the place. So let's see. Now, how do we get this? There we go. Oh, it's coming open perfectly fine. Here we go. We're kind of sort of, oh my goodness. Some people take their packing tape very, very seriously. My goodness. We're going to open this way. So let's see. There is our lovely, and whatever it is, it's wrapped. What is it? Goodness gracious. Because it's very floppy, as we can tell, but it's wrapped. Oh my goodness. I know what this is. These are, I bought a bunch of Anna Griffin storage envelopes. I just wanted to have them. I'm not always a fan of the stringy thingy-majiggers, but I did need some storage envelopes. So I went ahead and got hers. And of course it has her little emblem on it. So whatever. But I'm going to definitely use these for projects. For her projects. I have a ton that are, in the works, or, and I have all of those creates and crop at homes that I'm not working on, and there you go. But I have another box here. I suspect, is this one right here? I suspect I know what this is. So, because it's a little bit heavier, and I think it's a single item. So, I'm going to open this up in my lap, and then dump it on the desk, or whatever. We'll see. Oh, yeah. Come on. I have to destroy the box. And I am right. It is exactly what I thought it was. Yes, guys. Because somebody asked me, Barbara, you were asking me, and I think I let you know in my response that yes, I got the TSV. They got me. Allie got me. Whoops. Let me toss the box before this falls. Allie got me at when she showed the guest book that she did. I have a wedding. It's not until July. And it's my brother-in-law's nephew, but I've known him since he was a little thing. And so he's like my nephew. So he's getting married in July. It's a destination wedding for him. The thing is that he lives in Sweden and we're the destination. So it is literally going to happen in my sister's backyard. But my sister has a very highfalutin house with an amazing view. I mean, just an amazing, amazing view of half of Orange County. So it's just beautiful. So we're going to have the wedding there. So I'm going to be making stuff for that wedding. And one of them is the guest book. So it comes with I'm not going to unbox it now. I'm going to save that for another day, because I immediately want to do something with this. So it comes with binding strips, and it comes with the cinch glue strips. So I have no idea how this all works. I think actually it goes on the end, so then we allow it. So wow. If these are the binding strips and these strips do not have the glue, I'm very curious now. That opens up possibilities massively. Oh yeah, there is glue. There is adhesive on these, but I personally, so there must be, for whatever reason, there's extra strips. We'll find out. I will find out. And maybe it's if we make wider, because you can make wider books, and for like an album. That was the other thing, is I saw this as a massive opportunity to bind albums, that I have made differently, and I haven't made one in a while, and I want to get back. I want to get back to making albums. I haven't made one, and let's put it this way. I've been married 5 years now, and I haven't made ours yet. That should tell you everything. So I picked up the cinch, the thermal cinch, and the bundled supplies. And for no other reason, it was teal. Okay, you know me and teal. I love how we are. And now they're no longer memory. They're no longer we are memory keepers, They now became We Are Makers, which is in keeping. I think they've gotten away. I mean, they used to do a lot of scrapbooky stuff, a lot of paper and all that. They've gotten away from that. I think that changing their name to We Are Makers is really much more in keeping with their identity. So I will applaud them for that. Yay, you guys. Now, where did I put my orange tulle? I have the last box. It was 3 boxes that came today. And I'm fairly confident this isn't the last of it. In fact, I know it isn't because I have an email telling me there's a shipment delay on something. I haven't opened it yet. I just saw the header on it. So it tells me that there's something more. There's more stuff coming. And with the rain, I'm sure there's delays weather related. I mean, here in California, they're trying to drown us out. I mean, if everybody's been watching the news, I mean, it's not like everybody wants to mock us and, you know, laugh at us because we flip at rain. And to some extent, we've earned it. But also think of it this way. We live in a desert climate, okay? So the problem with the desert climate is that we don't get a lot of water. So when it rains here, and it's like it's either we don't get any rain or God is trying to drown us. You know, it's torrential. And it was interesting that when the news were saying, a newscaster was saying yesterday that we got an inch of rain. They're like, oh my goodness, an inch of rain. An inch of rain in the county of LA, it was an inch of rain in the county of LA, which is right next to me, is 3.8 billion gallons of water. Yeah, 3.8 billion gallons of water. Puts it into perspective, huh? Suddenly you're thinking, So yeah, so it can do some damage because our ground is not used to it. So it's not prepped for it. It's very dry. It runs off, and that's why we get the flash flooding. Remember, desert climate, very hard-packed dirt. So like right now, I'm having to watch the pool because our pool is getting close to full, and if it fills up, I've gotta pull the plug on it and let some water run out like when you take a bath. It's the same concept. Okay, so anyway, enough of that. Oh, so this is, oh my gosh, this is very exciting. This is literally a 3-item mail haul. So yeah, trust me, there's more coming. One of the things I did get is I ordered for both of them, for the mini and for my full size Anna Griffin. I ordered the tote, which it's not like I tote that thing around anywhere, but it was so funny that yesterday I was looking for a wide, just stiff tote that I could take some stuff to my sisters. We were having dinner over there, but I wanted to work on, you know, the next card for 14 and 14. And yes, I didn't get one out today. So, I mean, well, I have to catch up now. I have to figure it out. I'm going to have to double down somewhere along the way. But this would have been perfect for me to pack what I needed to take. Whether, you know, it is meant for us to put the whole, the Empress. And I have both the full-size Empress and I have the mini. But so it's both these, and oh my gosh, this is really, it feels so yummy. And it's vegan leather. I'm not, you know, my daughter and I had a very interesting conversation about vegan leather. Can you just say it's vinyl? Or call it what you will, pleather, whatever. I mean, now we're trying to get politically correct. Who cares? That's my personal thought. So, you know, then you take it with a grain of salt. But it's very nice. It is really, really nice. So now I can put this on top of my Empress and protect it from the dust. And I'm going to have one for the mini. So, oh my gosh, it is. I can't get over. I just want to pet it. I don't want to cover it. Now I'm going to be sitting here with an arm outstretched to my right, petting. But it is very, very nice. And like I said, I bought both of them. So you'll be seeing another one coming. So apparently today's mail was all about Anna Griffin. But this bag is also really, really nice. It is going to come in very handy when I tote things around. Heck, it might come in handy just toting things if I want to work on something from downstairs or upstairs. If I want to work, I have a little table up there that I can sit in bed and watch TV with Steve, and I can work on stuff like assembling cards. So, honestly, guys, I know that this was very unexciting, but that's it for right now. This was a totally quickie mail call. So thanks a lot. Know that more is coming, and I am going to launch into, right after I do this, I'm launching straight into recording the next card for 14 and 14. You're still going to get them. I know I'm going to have to double up, which is why you'll notice they went from day 1, day 2 to card 3. That is why. Because that way I'm going to have to double down somewhere along the lines because time got away from me. I lead a complicated life, and I'm going to do it. I will do it. Don't underestimate me. We will get this done somehow, some way. All right, guys. So I am going really now. I'm really going. So thanks a lot for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this, got to see, got a kick out of what I got, then by all means, give me a thumbs up, drop me a line. If you want to see more madness and see what else that this crazy woman buy, then by all means, subscribe and ring that bell, and I will tell you what I got and why I got it. All right. Meanwhile, I'm going to let you go. Go out there and craft and make something beautiful. And always remember that what you give brightens up, and what you make, okay, and what you give brightens someone's day, all right? So go out there and make a difference with your art, okay? I'm going to let you guys go. And as always, don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on, peeps. Craft the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye! Ah! Don't wait! There's more. Look, this came in, and I can wait and for the box to open the box when the next ones come in, so it's not just one box. But I'm an impatient person, so I want to open it now. So no, I'm adding it onto this video. So we're going to open up another box from HSN that came in the rain. I mean, it was pouring down on me today, guys. I mean, torrential rain, and we lost power at 2 a.m., give or take, a few minutes. And don't ask me why I knew what time it was when the power went out. But I did. And so, yeah, we went out with power all day. We were getting ready. I mean, I worked from Starbucks. I literally let my boss know, hey, I'm going to Starbucks because it's down the street and hopefully they have power. And I called them and they did. And I worked from there until about 2:30ish. And then I came home after Nan came from her rehab appointment. We were going to my sister's because we were being told we were going to have power till 8 p.m. That wasn't going to work. Nan needs to have her nebulizer treatments and whatnot. So just as we were all loading in the car and the last kid to come out is Beth, saying, the mom, the lights came on. You're like, really? After you grab, 4 kids worth of stuff and put a mom, a 95-year-old in a car and my computer and yada, yada, yada. Anyway, so here I am back. We have power. I got to finish my day here. And let's see what I got here. Oh. I went ahead and got this, and it's almost anticlimactic. This is the Anna Griffin platform. This is her platform. I don't know if it's newish, but it's new to me. I got it because I got her stamps from Craft Day, and they are like geared to work with this. So I'm very interested. I have had a previous platform like this. I had the We Are Makers, or We Are Memory Keepers platform, but this is very geared to the stamps that she has that are super interesting. I thought would work for to make great backgrounds because I have some of her inks and I want to get more of her inks. And to work with all of my, because with Anna Griffin now, I'm being, as much as I am buying a bunch of her stuff anyway, I always do, but I'm being strategic about what I'm buying. So that I always, instead of us buying card kit and 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 card kit, oh, and another card kit, because I already have all of that. Let's, buy things that will help me make cards. And I was really intrigued, and I have 30 days to change my mind on it if I am not so intrigued. So I will be keeping the box and the packing and all that, but this is what I got. So that came in the package today. I'm assuming in the next box of stuff that's coming, I think that's probably the box that's delayed. I got an email about it. Is going to be my stamp. So we will try this because I'm pretty excited. I love working with Anna's stuff anyway. Her style is my style. I love that old vintage, vintage, and it's not even vintage. When we think of vintage, we think of, the 30s, the 40s, the 20s, that I just love that, old world stuff. I really, really do. So I'm excited to play with it. So, okay, now I'm going to let you go and do your thing, guys. I've already said all my yadas, so I won't say it again. Love you all. Have a great day. Talk to you about it later. Bye.